What's going on, guys? Three Wheels on the Block. We're back with the Regal GS. Time to pause this trunk, also known as the boot, depending if you're on this side of the pond or that side of the pond. Let's get to it. Need some sandpaper. Those are your grits you'll be using. This is what I recommend for your water and or water soap solution. It's a pump sprayer. Pump it up at the top, squeeze the button. These work great. I'll also be using two Zodas. Got the 3-inch and the 6-inch. We'll be using Meguiar's M105 for the cutting. And I will be using some of this M1, and then we'll use one more product for the top. Right now, we got a sand. A lot of sanding to do. Oh yeah, shout out to my boy Will up in New York. He sent me the third brake light for the Regal. Been looking for that for quite some time. He sent me that earlier this year and really took care of me on that. So, Will, I appreciate you. I'll put a picture of his car here so if you're in part of the Regal community, you probably know this guy. So this is after the M105 pass. It's pretty glossy. Yeah, big nasty wart right there. Color looks close here. Let's go to the other side. You'll be able to see the difference pretty clearly. You can definitely see the difference there. So yeah. And you'll see the waviness. This is what I'm going to go back and fix when I do this for the last time with this spoiler. Little imperfections, I'll take care of those down in that valley there, but it gives you an idea. That's kind of what I was going for, a nice smooth transition up and over the top. And I think that I'll rework these to get those a little bit smoother as well. Yeah, definitely rework those. Last thing to do for now, get that trunk light back in. Thanks again, Will, for the third brake light for my Regal. Greatly appreciate it. It's been a long time since I received this from you, and I plan on putting it on a lot sooner than this, but stuff happens. What can I say? Installation is pretty simple. Go in there and fish your wire out for the power for this light, and then it's got these metal retaining clips that hold it up in there. When I tried to remove my light, I broke the lens off of this housing. Yeah, so anyway, let's go ahead and get this on. I've already done most of the fishing for my wire. You can see it right here. Just plugged it in there like so. You just take that, insert it in the trunk. pops in there. All right. Now all it needs is a little tint to match my tail lights. Alright, that wraps up the video for the Ally Express spoiler on this 2013 Buick Regal GS. And yes, there will be another part. I'm going to go back and tweak everything else, probably in the springtime, color match it to the car. So that way we have a nice consistent color, so you don't see that transition there, as harsh as it is. But this will get me through the winter time. So until next time, my name's Erwin. This is Three Wheels on a Block. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you soon.